Hi, I'm Mark from the locals at Ray White, and this week we've got a magnificent brick and tile home ready and waiting. This is number 4 at 247 West Tamaki Road in Glendowie. It's very low maintenance, solid and safe, and absolutely beautiful inside. Let's take a look. It is a nice and spacious home with absolutely nothing for you to do but move in and enjoy. Winter's not too far away, but we've got you covered. It's insulated with a gold air heat pump, keeping you cozy and warm at your leisure. Great news for the property investors out there too. We've got an excellent rental return. Location is always high on the priority list. You shouldn't have to compromise, and well, you don't. Barely 5 minutes from St Heliers beach, tucked away from the road, nice and quiet, just what you're looking for. This is a wonderful, affordable opportunity for first home buyers, downsizers, anyone looking to get on the ladder. All your boxes just keep getting ticked. Brick and tile is always in demand. There's no work required here, no body corp fees, you don't even need to lift a finger, just move in and enjoy. We'll be here this weekend, make sure you find the time to pop along, you won't regret it. We'll see you then.